Hello, hello. I'm very excited to tell you about this book, MISBELIEF. What is this book about? In short, it's about this. What is this? This is actually called white noise. Just pattern. It's meaningless. It's just random. But it turns out that under certain conditions, we see patterns in these things. When we're stressed, when we look for answers, when we don't know how the world is organized, we are trying to force order onto the world, and we see patterns where none exist. And this book is really about the way that we develop beliefs, even when they're based only on randomness. Hopefully you'll enjoy it.